Hello guys, welcome to Total Technology. Today we are back with the second part of the Pandas, and in today's video we will discuss about how to read and write into CSV and Excel file using Pandas. And so without any further delay, let's get started. In this tutorial I will use Jupyter Notebook, which is very popular and intuitive also, and I have some CSV and XLS file here already downloaded from internet or GitHub. And let's open this stock data or stock CSV. It's taking some time. Okay, now it's opening. Okay, this is the XLS file which I am going to import, and this is the CSV file, which is basically having same content. So without any delay, let's close the file and go to the programming. Okay, so to read the CSV file in Panda, we need to type the first thing first, that is import pandas as pd. Then data frame is equal to pd dot, let us read the CSV, read CSV, and the CSV name or path. I have already saved the CSV in my Jupyter Notebook folder from where the program is running, so no need to give the full path. It is stock data.csv. So let's run it and print the data frame. As you can see, it is showing as this header unnamed 1 2 3 4, and this is the index, and these are the value. So I want let's suppose we want to pass different name to this header. So df equal to, or we can modify it here, and type it as header equals to, first we type 1 and let's see what it is giving. So it is now showing the ticker EPS even correct header. Why? Because suppose if we, let me just open the CSV file here. As you can see, here is the header written there. So I don't want my header to start from here. That's why we start here, header is equal to 1, or you can use none, and run the code. I think it will be, see if we pass header there, then here it is none. So let's remove this none and pass header is equal to 1, means it will start header from here. Okay, just like that. So let me delete this and save my CSV and type and read it again. Okay, now suppose you want to change the name of the header. Say you say names is equal to column 1 you can type anything here. Accordingly it will change your column name. See, column 1 2 3 4. Okay, now suppose you want to just read 3 or 2 rows only, not the entire data frame. So you can pass in rows, number of rows is equal to 3. So it will just give you the 3 row. If you pass here 2, it will give you 2 row. It is just simple like that. Okay, now let us read the entire data frame, and you can see here it is showing as NA in pupil page, data not available NA. Here it is NA. Okay, so if you want to replace these values, you can pass here like this, NA values is equal to n dot a type it here and you can see it's changed the value to not available. You can pass it anything here, so it will change this -1 to NA not available. Or you can also pass here not available. So all the values are changed to not available here. Or you can do also selectively here by column. To do that you need to pass a dictionary here. And name the column names here. Just one thing, yeah, say I want to change only the pupil column, then PEOPLE replace n dot a comma in EPS column also we want to replace so it will be n dot a like this. Let us run this code. In EPS there is -1, so let's pass -1 n dot a dot here, and see it is replaced the -1. It didn't touch this revenue column -1 or this price column. If you put price here and its key value is n dot a dot, sorry I need to give so here it is changed to not available value from garbage. Okay, then we will another argument is there that is skip rows. It will skip the row. If you see, press 1 and see, it will skip first row. If it is 0, it is the original CSV file. If you are giving it 2, it will skip 2 rows and start from after that. Okay, this is how you read from CSV and manipulate data. Now how to write to CSV? To write to CSV you need to type df dot to CSV, your file name, suppose new dot CSV, and along with that, if you want, okay, let's save this file. I think it is saved. Here it is, the new dot CSV. See, it is saved. Let me do this right. Okay, it is open, that's why. Okay, see, suppose you want along with this index is equal to false, then it will skip the index, that is 0 1 2 3 4. See, now the index is not there. Also you can mention, if you don't want the header, this header, you can parse, header is equal to false. Let us run this code again, and if we see See, now the header is not there. Index is there, but header is not there. Okay, along with that you can also give your column names by passing columns is equal to, say, test 1, test 2, or rather I will just copy this. Or you can also parse here. Suppose you want to save only ticker and EPS, so you can type column is equal to tickers comma EPS. Then it will write only these two column values. Let's check it. See, these only two column values is there. Similarly, you for Excel you just change this read CSV to read Excel and to CSV to Excel. The rest things are the same. Suppose I change it to Excel, and my Excel file also stock data dot xls. xlsx. Okay. Now you can also pass your sheet name. If we open the sheet is sheet 1, so pass here sheet 1. I think we need to give sheet name is equal to no sheet name sheet 1. How? Suppose we copy this to sheet 2 also and save this file. Why it is not showing? Let us Google Pandas IO. and you can see here read Excel. Yeah, it is sheet underscore name is equal to sheet 1. Okay, sheet underscore name is equal to sheet 1. Okay, now it is reading. Suppose I have you can also use multiple sheets. Okay, so to read multiple sheets, you can see here in the example data frame 2 PD read Excel is sheet 2, so df1, or I will copy this and df1 df2. Okay, sorry, this is df1 and this is df and df1. Okay guys, so you can see this is the way to read from Excel file. And suppose if we go like this, suppose as you can see there are NA values here. So we can remove this NA value by defining function like this. Define remove garbage cell if cell is equal to n dot a dot return. Suppose you want to change the n dot a dot to test, or say something else, say world mod founder Walton. Else or write like this, else return cell. And in this pass argument converter is equal to dictionary, and give your I want to change this pupil column only, so type like this, people column name and its key, and the function we defined, remove garbage. Sorry, so you can see now it is removed the NA from here, but not from other cell, not from here. This only removed NA from here. We are going to save the Excel file, and to save it you can type df2 excel and the file name new.xlsx, and similarly you can give all those header equal to false or start row, start column, sheet name, and suppose I will just first save this. Let me run this snippet of code, and here is the new XLSX file. As you can see, it already saved it. Now I just paused header or index is equal to false. Again run the code. Okay, now you can see that index is not there. You can also start like start rows, start row is equal to 1, start column is equal to 2. So what will happen? It will happen when you run this code, you will see that it skip this first line. It is a start row 1, start column 2, so second it skips from here. Okay, also you can specify sheet name by giving here like sheet name is equal to stock 1, and again we run this code. If we open this XLSS, you can see the stock 1. Suppose you have two different sheet, you want to write your data to two different sheet of the same Excel file, you can also do that as well. For that we need to import numpy as py, and type say with pd dot Excel writer, your file name say new one.xlsx as writer, and your data frame df2, so it is same like this, df2 excel, under it is writer sheet name test1, and you can also say, I don't have a different data frame now, but you can create one different data frame and change it to here test2. Now run this code. Oh, I forgot to put is equal to there. Okay, so what will happen now, it will now create one new one.xlss, and there will be two sheet named test1 and test2 with same with same data frame. You can easily put here df1 or change your data frame here to df1 to df, whatever you want. It is like that. So let's check is that's the new one.xlss, and you can see that is test1, that is test2, both are created. So that's it guys. I hope you guys have learned something regarding reading CSV and Excel file and manipulating some of its data. In further we will discuss about different methods of cleaning data, like fill in a, drop in a, interpolate, like that. So stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to us and click the bell icon. This will give you the notification of our new video. Till then, bye bye.